Hey guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to send gift message in Instagram. Be sure watch the video till the end and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram account and then go to the send message in the upper right hand corner and select any conversation if you want to send a message and type a message if you want to send. I'm typing just how are you and click on search button and you can find a gift box. Just click on this gift box and when there click on this gift box there find a gift message. So I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.